Now it's all set to go. But what about your online payments? Here's come Razorpay integration. So in this video, I will show you how you can connect your Razorpay account with Nrich. So in the Razorpay dashboard, here you can see accounts and settings. Click on account and settings. Here you see API keys. Click on this. Here you get your API key. Just copy this API key and go to Nrich Learning. Here in the explore plan page, you can see integration section. Click on this, scroll down. Here you get Razorpay. Click on get started. Here you have to paste your API key. And second one is secret key. The secret key you will get on your mail ID, the mail you used in your Razorpay account. Just paste that and connect with the Razorpay account. But if you don't have your Razorpay account, you can click on sign up for a new account and create a new Razorpay account, and you can generate your API key and secret key. Now connect your Razorpay account. Here, done. Your Razorpay account is connected with Nrich Learning. So start receiving your online payments without any hassles.